when designers start to understand 3D, they start to speak the same language as the 3D artists do because they're working in the same way. Kind of throughout my career, I've always been looking at how to incorporate 3D. When we started at New Balance, it was, I want designers to start concept drawing in 3D versus 2D. It was that simple. We weren't really thinking beyond that. For us, we work on an 18-month calendar. If we can make better decisions earlier, we can get to what our final product's going to be quicker and get it to market faster. We are able to reduce the amount of samples that we make throughout the process. There's a huge cost savings for us in our factories when we make less prototypes. These are estimations, but for us to send a tech package to a factory in Asia, build the bottom unit, ship it back to the US, we're talking about 45 days. For us to create a virtual sample, so a photoreal sample of something, we're talking about 7 days. That's a huge time savings. We talk about two different types of models, and I think this is really important. The difference between a concept model and a finished model. Our designers are building concept models. We don't want our designers spending the time to make something that's photoreal, right? We want them to be able to do something kind of down and dirty, get their concepts out there, be able to share their concept with a marketing counterpart, a development team. It's a visual representative of the idea. It's not a finished model. Our 3D artists, we're not asking them to design, we're asking them to work with the design team and interpret and take that and create these photoreal assets. I think we're at this tipping point where it's going to really change the industry going forward. I think what excites all of us about Gravity Sketch is that I can be in that environment, right? With this viewer license or on headsets and have everybody immersed in that room and spinning a model around and really showing people what it looks like. The better you can express your idea so that somebody who's a non-designer can understand it, the more successful you're going to be.